Good day guys, in this video I'm showing you how to connect Supabase with Lovable. So if you want production ready authentication, persistent tables, and serverless workflows, you need to anchor your app to a real database. So let us begin. So we will initialize the bridge from Lovable workspace dashboard. But before we do that guys, make sure to also create your accounts, both on Supabase of course. In my case, I just went ahead and registered with my GitHub. Okay, you can do that as well, or just create from scratch with your generic email. After that, open up Lovable, then navigate to a certain project you want to bind and connect your Supabase to. I'll just choose this one. Then guys, when you're ready, when you have all of this stuff here set up, you just navigate here where you have your project's name. Then you press on settings or connectors. Let's try connectors. And in here we have as you can see, different apps that we can actually connect. And one of them, as you can see second from the top, is actually Supabase. Click on it. And in here, guys, you just need to manage the connected organizations. If you want to add more, as you can see, this is my Supabase organization. You can also see that it's the same. You can just press on add more. Then in this next window, you just choose which one you want to do. So if it's a different account or a different project and organization, if it's within one, just use this drop down and choose a other one. As you can see, I already have one. In your case, you just choose from the drop down, press this green authorized Lovable button, and then you're good to go. And then you should have this piece of text that says Supabase organizations, and of course its name right here down in the bottom necessarily here. So pretty much that's how it's done, guys. As always, enjoy if this was helpful, and like and subscribe.